Hi friends, welcome to RMTV channel. Today we are going to see an important tool in Microsoft Excel, that is pivot table. A pivot table is used to sort, summarize, count or group data stored in a table. The difference between a normal table and a pivot table is that a normal table is fixed but pivot table is flexible. It allows us to transfer columns into rows and rows into columns. Now let's learn about it in this video. Check out this. We have details in a table with columns as customer name, invoice number, month, invoice date, taxable value, tax and total amount. Here we have month-wise revenue details of multiple customers in this table. Using pivot table, we can get the summary of revenue by customers within few seconds. Make sure that there is no blank in header columns or rows. First, keep the cursor in the data, then go to the tab Insert and then select Pivot Table. You can see that source data is selected and we have Create Pivot Table options. In the options, check the table or range and ensure that all the data are covered. We can also select particular data as per our requirement. Let me show that to you now. Yeah, we have selected particular data and it reflects accordingly. Now, let us select the full table. And next option is we can choose where we want the pivot table report to be placed. Select new worksheet or existing worksheet as per your preference. Let's select new worksheet first. Click OK and then you can see a new worksheet with blank pivot table and fields option. Fields are nothing but our table column headers. We have 4 fields here as filters, columns, rows and values. As we are going to summarize revenue by customers, we need to select customer name in rows. You can drag it to rows in the fields or right click and select add to row labels to bring it there. You can now see the customer name in rows of the pivot table. Next, we need to move the taxable amount to values to summarize the revenue. And the procedure is same like before. Drag the taxable amount to values. When we move the taxable amount to values, we can see that it is mentioned as sum of taxable value. Right click it and select the value field settings. It has many options like sum, count, average, product, maximum, minimum, etc. We can select according to our report. Now in the pivot table, we can see the customer-wise revenue report. If we want detailed report like month-wise revenue of each customer, then drag the month into columns in the pivot table fields. Now the pivot table shows you month-wise revenue by customer. If we want all details of a particular customer or all customers, then we need to shift customer name to filters and bring month to rows. To view a particular customer detail, select filters under customer name all and then enable select multiple items and choose any customer and get the data. Now let me show you the customer details A, E and R. Select customer as A, click OK and the details will be displayed. Next, select customer E, the details will be displayed and then select customer R and the details of customer R are displayed. Similarly, we can add tax amount, total amount to some values and get the data as per our requirements. Let me show that to you now. This is it. Next option is if you want pivot table in the same sheet, go to source data, keep the cursor in the data and then go to insert and select pivot table. In the create pivot table, instead of new worksheet, select existing worksheet and click the cursor in location field and select any cell in the worksheet and then click OK. You can now see the blank pivot table with fields option in the same worksheet. Follow the same procedure as explained earlier to get your required report. Let me show you the same process now. That's all friends. This is a simple process of using pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Hope you understood the process. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.